A given space, time or position, slot. A given space, time or position, slot. Kill someone by covering their nose and mouth so that they suffocate, smother. A person regarded as arrogant and annoying, snob. Enjoying or affording bomb, secure shelter or cover and opportunity for ease and contentment, snug. The study and classification of human societies, sociology. A brief or short stay at a place, sojourn. A very delicate flaw or mistake which is not expected from the person making it, solacious. One who talks to oneself, soliloquist. A speech made to oneself, soliloquy. The state of being alone, especially when you find this pleasant, solitude. Being able to pay one's debt, solvent. Walking in sleep, somnambulism. Someone who walks about in sleep, somnambulist. One who talks in sleep, somniloquist. The act or habit of talking in one's sleep, somniloquy. A 14-line poem, sonnet. A drug or other substance that induce sleep, soporific. A type or magic in which spirits, especially evil ones, are used to make things happen, sorcery. The murder of one's sister, sororicide. Something kept as a reminder of an event, souvenir. Sudden involuntary muscular contraction, spasm. Say something in order to convey information, speak. A small amount of something that shows what the rest of it is like, a specimen. The forming of a theory or conjecture without firm evidence, speculation. Study of caves, speleology. One who spends money recklessly, spendthrift. An old unmarried woman, spinster. One who speaks on behalf of others, spokesman. One who speaks for others, spokesperson. Performed or occurring as a result of a sudden impulse, spontaneous. Occurring at irregular intervals in time, sporadic. Not being but is purpose to be spurious. Argue loudly about unimportant things, squabble. To walk unsteadily as if about to fall, stagger. A sudden rush of a large number of frightened people or animals, stampede. An upright bar, post or frame forming a support or barrier, stanchion. A computer printout sent out by a bank regarding debits and credits in your account, statement. An attractively tall, graceful and dignified woman, statue. Written law of a legislative body, statue. Not able to produce children, sterile. One who loads and uploads ships, stevedore. A person who can endure pain or hardship without showing his feelings, stoic. Indifference to pleasure and plain, stoicism. One who hides away on a ship to obtain a free passage, stowaway. A government by the military classes, stratocracy. A mental or emotional strain caused by demanding circumstance, stress. Affected by an undesirable condition or unpleasant feeling, stricken. Showing a dislike of anything improper, strict. Angry or bitter disagreement over fundamental issues, strife. Speaking with a stammer or lisp, stuttering. A written order or attend a court of law to give evidence, subpoena. To pay money to use a product or service regularly, subscribe. Too willing to obey other people, subservient. Bare minimum needed for survival, subsistence. So delicate or precise as to be difficult to analyze or describe, subtle. Having juicy or fleshy and thick tissue, succulent. The right to vote in political elections, suffrage. The action of killing oneself intentionally, suicide. A set of rooms, especially in a hotel, for the use of one person or his family, suit. A brief account of a subject summary. Splendid and expensive looking, sumptuous. Only on the surface of something, superficial. Of the highest quality, superlative. Speed greater than that of sound, supersonic. The belief that particular event happened in a way that cannot be explained by reason, superstition. Ask or beg for something, earnestly or humbly, supplicate. The state of being the most powerful, supremacy. Move suddenly and powerfully forward or upward, surge. Having something more than required, surplus. To give up completely or agree to forego, especially in favor of another, surrender. Kept secret, especially because it would not be approved of, suspicious. A person's last performance, swanson. A collection of these, swan. An ace-bladed weapon that is longer than a knife, sword. One who is about liker and clacker, sycophant. A part of a word that can be pronounced separately, syllable. Reasoning method involving two statements, from which a conclusion is reached, celluloid. Traditionally in sonata form, symphony. A building where the joys meet for religious worship and teaching, synonym. Words of the same meaning, synonymous. Made of artificial substance or material, synthetic. Showing poor taste and quality, techy. Of or connected with the sense of touch, tactile. The young of a frog, tadpole. A rough, boy and troublesome person, turtle. Indelible mark on the skin.